Hello, students. Today we are going to be farmers. Well, very small farmers. We're going to grow microgreens. Do you know what microgreens are? Well, micro means small, and greens are leafy vegetables. Microgreens are the young seedlings of edible plants like broccoli, radish, and kale. They are harvested and eaten when the first set of true leaves have grown on the plant, which is usually about 2 or 2.5 weeks after the seeds are planted. Let's start by gathering all your supplies. So you'll need some water, you'll need a paper towel, or a soilless growth medium that you can purchase from a place like Amazon or some other garden shop. The type of containers that work well are the clamshell style containers that you get when you purchase peppers or strawberries or cherry tomatoes at the grocery store. You could just save them and repurpose them. You'll also need some seeds, and I like to get the sprouting seeds because they were designed for sprouting. We'll hydrate the seeds several hours in advance so that they're ready to germinate right when you put them on the growing mat. You'll also need a water bottle. And this is important because it'll allow you to water your sprouts without overwatering them. You're going to want to take the lid off. I've already cut this one off. Now if I'm using the soilless growth medium, I'm just going to cut it to be the size of the bottom of the tray, and I've already done this one. But paper towels also work. So we'll just tear off maybe 3 of the small pieces of paper towel, fold them together in the bottom of the tray, and I think I'm going to cut the excess here. Alright, I'm going to put my lid underneath the tray so that I keep my table dry. I'll go ahead and pour the seeds that I've soaked into my tray. And then I'll spread them around. I'm noticing that part of my paper towel is not saturated with water yet. So I'm going to take my water bottle and just spray the paper towel so that it becomes evenly saturated. So the first time you water, you're going to want to really saturate this towel, because if the seeds are not kept moist at the beginning, they will not germinate. So it looks like the towel absorbed all the water. I'm just going to go ahead and put the lid on my container, and it will be like a little greenhouse. I'll keep these at room temperature, and they should sprout within a couple of days. So how do you take care of your microgreens? First, feel the growing mat at the base of the container to see if it is wet or dry. Tip the bowl. If water drips out of the container, pour it off. Too much water can cause your microgreens to mold. If your growth pad feels dry, spray the microgreens about 20 times with a water bottle. That's enough and should last until tomorrow, but you can always check your greens again today. Thanks for watching, and have fun growing your small, leafy green vegetables. See you next time.